Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will be talking about an issue with the SQL database. So let's get started with the video.
अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को करें सब्सक्राइब और साथ ही साथ दबाएं बेल का आइकन, जिससे जब भी मैं नया वीडियो डालूं आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे।
So guys, today in this video I will be talking about an issue which one of my subscriber is facing. He has messaged me a lot many times regarding this error. So today I am making a video on this. Suppose this is the project and I just log in into the project, and whenever I try to insert or update any data, it gives me a error which says, like suppose I want to update the password like admin123, and when I click on update it says attempt to write a read only database. So I just he just asked me regarding this error, and I just told him that this is regarding permission issue. So for permission, you have to what you have to do, I've just installed this exe file. He has provided me the exe file. So the exe file is on my C drive, you can see here, and this is the database file. So what I will do here, I will just go to the properties of the file and database file, and you can see here security tab, and when I go to users, because I'm logged in as this user, so I'll go to this, and you can see here edit button. When I click on edit button, a pop-up appears which says permission for sms.db. so what you have to do, you have to just click on users again, and you have to give full control, because you can modify also, you can read also, and you can write also a database. So I've given the permission, and I click on apply and I click OK, and when I go OK, and again I'll try to update. So it says unable to open database file. It's because we have just given permission to the database file only. So in the same way we have to provide permission to the folder also. So let's go to security. Okay guys, then you have to again go to users, then edit, and then you have to apply full control over here. Okay, in the same way you just check for the folder also, for the parent folder, and when I go, and you have to again go to edit, and you have to allow full control for the user. Click on apply, OK, and OK. In this way you can solve this problem. So once again let's take another user, or take this one only. So when I click update the password, I write admin123 is the password, and I click on update, the data has been successfully updated. Now let's try login with the new password. So you can see here admin, and I'll write the password here admin123. when I click on login, so the user has been successfully logged in. That means the data has been successfully updated. You can see here also the list of the users, and you can see the password also, the password is updated. So in this way you can solve this problem. It's very easy. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.